Hello, my name is Lilia and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my 4C hair routine for thicker and fuller hair. So many of you have been asking me and I'm going to be doing it today. So if you want to see that, keep watching. But first, before we go into the video, if you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you subscribe right now, hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. So without any more talking, let's get into it. I have this scattered all over my channel. Like this is not something new. This is something I've been doing on my channel for a very long time, for like almost a year now. So it's not like it's something new, but I don't have everything together in one video. So I just want to make one video so that when people ask me, I can just refer them to the video and you can see everything I do to take care of my hair. So my hair is freshly washed. I washed my hair last night. I have so many wash day videos on my channel, so I'm going to leave in the card so you can see how I wash my hair. But basically I usually wash my hair with my LOTION black soap. So I just apply the soap and rinse it out. So my hair is already washed. I put my hair in the bun after washing it yesterday. So this is what my hair looks like. So after washing, I go ahead and do my ginger aloe mix. I do this on almost every wash day except on days where I'm in a hurry and I don't have time to do it. So I'm going to be applying this in my hair. This is what serves as my deep conditioner. I've been using this for almost a year now and I've seen it's obvious like my hair has gotten thicker because of this, and also because I've been really consistent with I've been really consistent with using with finger detangling instead of combing. So I comb less and then I use this. I think these are two things that, and plus I eat healthy. So those are the three things that have made my hair thicker over time. To make the ginger aloe mix, what I do is I take some ginger and some aloe vera, then I before now I've tried several store-bought deep conditioners and they always make my hair limp over time. So that's why I don't really use store-bought deep conditioner. This is what I use as my deep conditioner. I'm really love it. So it's liquidy, so all you have to do is just spray it into your hair. Then also on your scalp, I really like how it feels on the scalp. Depending on how much ginger you feel, like it's very soothing on the scalp. I really like that about this mist. Written on the section, I just wrap it gently just to put it out of the way so that I know the parts that I've sprayed the mist in and the parts that I haven't. So I'm spritzing a generous amount. I'm making sure that every strand gets some of the mist from root to end. So I'm just gently using my fingers to distribute all over the hair. I'm done spritzing the mixture all over my hair, and I still have this left. So what I do, I don't like to keep it like when every wash day I make a new batch, like I make fresh one. I don't like using old mixture. I don't like storing it. So now I'm just going to go on and just spray the remaining randomly on my scalp and on my hair. So I'm done spraying everything in my hair, so you guys can see my hair is drenched. This is the part I love. So now I'm just going to cover my hair with a plastic bag. You can see that I did not wrap my hair, like I did not like put my hair in a bun or anything, because that would just like squeeze out the liquid. That's why I didn't do that. I'm just wrapping bag around it the way it is, so that it doesn't start dripping down my face. Once I clean this, like this will just remain like this until when I'm ready to rinse it out. So I'm going to leave this in for at least 30 minutes. I can, depending on how much time I have, I can leave it for 30 minutes, or sometimes I leave it for up to 1 hour. Then I'll rinse it out and then I'll come back to show you guys the results. So I'm done rinsing out the ginger aloe vera mix, and this is what my hair looks like. You can see how shiny it is, even though I have no products in it. So now I'm just going to go ahead and apply the Jamaican black castor oil on my scalp. I'll go ahead and apply my raw shea butter on the ends of my hair. Just a little bit. Then I go ahead to style my hair. Usually I put my hair in braids, big chunky braids, about 4 to 6 depending on how much time I have, and then that's basically what I do to style my hair. Then when after a few days when it's dry, I take it down and do whatever hairstyle I want to do. But this time around I'm going to be doing something different. I'm going to be stretching my hair. So that brings us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in my next